Morning, everyone. Morning, everyone.
Let's make it a good harvest.
We start with the ripe tomatoes, then move to the corn by known.
We only pick the deep red ones today, leave the pale ones for later.
Keep your blades sharp, it saves time in your hands.
Duly noted.
Fuel's good, hydraulics check out, let's go.
Pick carefully, no bruisings. Fill the crates, stack them in the shaded area.
This row is heavy with good ones.
Moisture level looks good. This section is yielding well. The monitor shows yield in real time, so we can plan which section to hit next.
Trailer 3 is full, send in the next one.
Wow, this one is so big!
Harvest time is the result of months of care, watering, and watching the weather.
Stack the leaves nicely so they don't bruise.
We'll start from the south side. The fruit is ripest there.
Careful step, reach, twist, don't pull. Large grade here, smaller ones for juice.
Even during harvest, proper watering keeps the Romani plants healthy.
The sun is strong today.
Drink up, we've still got half the field.
Here we can control temperature and pick almost year-round.
Plot B, 320 kilos harvested so far. Healthy soil is the base of every good harvest. We never stop taking care of it.
Nothing is wasted. Stems and leaves go back to feed the soil.
Keep the water clean. Change it when it clouds.
Remove yellow edges so it looks fresh on the shelf.
If more than 5% is damaged, the whole box gets resorted.
Keep the pace steady. Quality first, Speed second.
Stack them tight so they don't shift during transport.
We use first in, first out, so nothing stays too long.
Temperature holding at 4 degrees Celsius. Perfect for leafy greens.
This batch goes to the city market by noon.
After tomatoes, we plant legumes here to restore nitrogen.
Depth is good, we're getting almost all the roots.
Cover your neck and drink water often. The heat is strong today. We pick herbs early in the morning so they keep their aroma.
You missed one right behind you.
You was there, man.
Just one more row and we're done for today.
Get the mud off now. It is harder once it dries.
Good tools last longer if you respect them.
Check all rows, don't leave anything behind.
My back will feel this tomorrow, but it was a good day.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
We hit our harvest target and kept quality high.
This is the last pallet for today.
Food tastes better after a long day in the fields.
These hands have planted and harvested for decades. This is our life.
We set aside parts of the farm to protect pollinators and biodiversity. We track yield and quality by section so we can improve every season. A quick flight shows us which areas need attention before harvest.
If the soil is too wet, harvesting heavy equipment can damage the field.
These came straight from our fields this morning. Enjoy, everything is harvested fresh and local.
Thank you.
This dish starts with fresh ingredients from the farm.
From field to table, every step matters.
We don't just grow food. We grow futures for our families and communities.
We save the best seeds to plant stronger crops next year.
Reuse what we can. It saves money and waste.
Safe workers mean a safer harvest every day.
These go to local cafes. They love fresh greens.
Gently twist and lift. Yes, just like that.
We did it!